Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling hardware and software. This is not optional. Mount the RT-LSDR to the Pi's USB, insert the micro SD with the Raspberry Pi OS image, and power the board. Once done, install Dump 1090FA via apt because it decodes ADSB messages. Make sure to enable SSH to work headless. Position the antenna outdoors or by a window on an elevated mast. You want clear sky view. Line of sight matters for reception performance, so eliminate obstructions where possible. You now configure the receiver stack and network so data flows reliably. Edit Dump 1090FA service flags to set gain, PPM calibration, and enable net output. This ensures accurate decoding and timing. Once done, set a static IP or DHCP reservation to avoid changing addresses, and forward port 30005 only if you plan to share raw data. Make sure the antenna feed line is weatherproofed, and test reception with TCP dump or netcat to confirm messages are emitted continuously into the network. Finish by optimizing and verifying performance. Don't stop at green LED. You should view aircraft on the local web map and confirm raw data on port 30005. If reception is poor, adjust antenna height, change gain settings incrementally, and consider a band pass filter to cut out local interference. If things go wrong, swap the RTL-SDR to a known good dongle and reload your Dump 1090FA config to isolate hardware versus software faults. Finally, log uptime and packet rates to track improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.